Hello YouTube, Dion from Adex Tech, and this is the unboxing of the Optec 10X50 Prisma by Hama. This is a set of binoculars and it seems to be a really nice offer for its asking price. So here we have all the specification in various languages. Now this seems to be a really nice and cheap solution for anyone. So here we have the blue coated BK7 lenses and focus adjustment. So this is fully analog, no digital enhancement of the image here. So we can just open the box and check the product closely. So now inside we can find a bag carrying the binoculars, and we also have a manual, and that's it. As you can see here, we have again all the specification. Spend some time here to figure out the proper way of using and adjusting your binoculars. So let's have a closer look here. One can easily start with this cheap solution for anyone that wants to start using a pair of binoculars before purchasing some professional models. So here we have inside some extra things, so let's check it closely. So here we have the essential silica gel bag, a cleaning cloth that I guess it's for the lenses. So now let's check the binoculars. The whole body seems to have a rubberized finish, and we also have this carrying strap here. We have an adjustment wheel, and here we can see the lenses. Now I must say that they seem to be of a really nice quality, but that can be even better. We also have these caps here to protect them. These are rubberized and can be easily removed and reapplied here and used for the standing position. And we also have here for these lenses two more for the eye sockets. These are also rubberized, so they will be comfortable. Here we have the model of the binoculars, so this is a reminder every time you try to observe something. Here with the wheel we can adjust the focus depending on the distance of our observing object. Now on the rear side we also have the product number. You might find this handy if you are looking for this product. There is also another adjusting position here for fine-tuning the viewing clarity. The carrying strap is kind of essential, and overall I guess this is a really nice offer for camping or excursions. So this was the unboxing of the Hama binoculars. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, and as always I'll see you in the next one.